That's right, Mike. Check this out. 1972 Pantera. These have become enormously collectible over the years. And just look at it. She is gleaming. Born yellow, redone in Ford GT yellow. Beautiful ground-up restoration. Every detail has been done to perfection. Now, it's got all the performance upgrades you could ever dream of, powered by a 351 Cleveland, which is what it came with. Obviously, this one, look at that, way more horsepower than stock. And check this out. Take a look inside. You got lowered leather seats, safety harnesses, gated manual, 200 mile per hour speedometer, because you know what, Mike? The only speed she knows is fast.
That is a beauty, April.
1972 DeTomaso Pantera, and this is going to be the first of our fantasy bid cars that will be rolling across the block. And this one, boy, I tell you, looks absolutely spectacular up on the block.
The original owner of this car enjoyed it for 45 years before it was passed on to a new owner and then underwent a full restoration, much of the work carried out by PI, that's PI Motorsports in California, noted Pantera experts. The Willwood brakes, of course, are not original, nor are these wheels, which have the look of the originals but are larger. And it is said the original DeTomaso wheels, which are very hard to come by, will come with the car. Now, this is mid-engine with a Ford 351. The trunk area has been, the trunk panels have been removed, so you get a great look at that 351 and the ZF transaxle that drives the rear wheels on this. Wow, what a build.
The seller got this car in pieces, delivered in boxes from the longtime owner, and they spent 4 years putting it back together and building to this high quality level. And they chose an interesting color. I think it works. The yellow from Ford GT, so 0506, we'll have one sell today in the same color with the 2 black stripes, but here it is on the Pantera. I think it looks great.
Now, after this is hammered sold, I want you to hear this thing light up and fire off, because with those big mufflers and exhaust pipes out the back, they're pretty much straight through. They don't do a lot to muffle the sound out of that 351.
Boy, great bidding. This thing has just launched its way up to $130,000. Well, that gentleman there put in an extra $2,000, and that's all it took. $162,000 for that absolutely spectacular 1972 DeTomaso Pantera. Was that your prediction for the fantasy bid? I hope so. We've got more fantasy bid cars coming up to cross the block pretty soon.